Hello, my fashion friends. I am so excited for today's Walmart haul because as far as quality, price, and design, these are some of the best items for spring that I have seen. And I will also have a styling companion video to this through our YouTube memberships, and I will leave that info in the description along with all of the links to the items in the video, and you will also find the links in a pinned comment for your convenience. So thanks so much for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. This outfit is classic with a little bit of a trendy spin, which I'm loving this season. And this is the free assembly tweed bomber jacket that I thought was so amazing. It has a great tweed texture, and I love the fringe that they trimmed the pocket and the collar with. And it's just an easy zip up style that's fully lined and has a great elastic waist. And this is so incredibly comfortable and feels like such nice quality. I could not even believe that this came from Walmart, to be honest with you. And I think this has a very high sellout rate. And I put it over this free assembly shrunken sweater tee, which this they have year after year. They add new colors and prints. And I got this navy with the white stripe because I thought it was very classic and easy. And these are styles that you can wear by themselves, or you can put them underneath any jackets and they work perfectly. They're incredibly soft with a little bit of stretch. So just one of those perfect tees that you probably need in your closet. And I styled this outfit with my Quince Bella Stretch straight leg jeans, which are a high rise, easy straight leg all the way down. And I love this really dark wash. And I thought it was a great match to the jacket and the tee, just to keep with a very classic look. But these straight legs are very on trend right now. So I thought this was a very nice pairing, and I'm wearing my true size in these. And I have on these scoop mesh flats with these studs, which I think are so cute. I got them in white. They do come in a couple of other colors, and they are just so on trend. The mesh shoes are going viral this season. I've seen a ton of them everywhere, and they're just easy to wear during the spring and summertime. And these are actually a little bit big, so if you have wide feet, I think these are going to work. I'm a little bit narrow, so I have a lot of room in here, and you may want to size down a half size. For those of you that love red, this free assembly collarless denim jacket is a must-have. It fits so nicely, and my favorite part are the gold buttons that go all the way down the front. I think they give it a very high-end and cool look. I also like the fit. It's loose enough that you can put things underneath it really comfortably, and the length, I think, is perfect. So this is such a great denim jacket that's cotton and spandex, and I think could live in your closet for years and years to come. This comfy outfit is speaking my language. So this is the free assembly sailor collar sweatshirt, which I think is adorable. I love these big collars and these half zips. They're still going to be trending in the spring. And the light blue, or I guess it's a brighter blue with the navy in this, I thought was so pretty. And it does have the kangaroo pocket, and it also has little toggles on the side here. So I have cinched the bottom and rolled these under and gave it a waistline, but you can pull these out and loosen it if you want it a little bit longer. So it's customizable, and I love it. I thought this was fantastic. And then I realized it had a matching pant, which I always get excited about. And these are just a high waist sweat pant that has the tie here. And I love this kind of gathered waist. And then it has the same color blue stripe down the side and pockets. And it's just such a cozy cotton blend material that you would want to wear this all the time. And I'm 5'4", and I don't mind that the leg is a little bit slouchy. And I think that these are going to shrink up just a tad bit when I wash them. So I think they'll be perfect. And let's talk about these shoes, because I know you guys are going to love these. These are by Time and True, and this is a retro sneaker that looks so similar to my Rag & Bones. I can't even tell you. And they feel really good. I think Time and True does a great job on their comfort and their styles, and these are wonderful. And they're only in this cognac color. I hope they add them in other colors, because these retro sneakers are still going to be big. And I think Walmart does such a good job on the quality and look of theirs. So this outfit might have a little bit of nautical vibes because that is this time of year we're going to see a lot of navy and white and reds and even some yellows. So this is the Free Assembly denim blazer in this really dark rinse, and I thought this was a fabulous one button blazer that you could wear with lots of different things. And the one I have on is a size small because they didn't have the extra small when I ordered this, and I really wanted to style this in a video. So just get your normal size and it will fit perfect. And I have it over this really nice cap sleeve tee that is white with navy stripe, and the white is not see-through. This is so perfect, and you can wear it with loads of different things, and I'll just pull it out so you can see the length of it. And it feels really soft and stretchy, and it's just a great little t-shirt, and I know we all need them. I always have to replenish mine, and I thought this was good. And the pants I have on are their patch pocket pants, which they do the patch pocket jeans by Free Assembly. And these are like a really soft chino material and a nice wide leg. And of course they are big on me, so I would definitely size down in these. I'm wearing my true size, and I think they would fit a lot better if I could get a size down. And they have a great elastic waist back here with patch pockets, and they're really, really comfortable. And again, they're in this beautiful red Rover red, and they do match that denim jacket perfectly if you want to put the two together. And I have on the Free Assembly loafers from the fall. They're their patent loafers that have the studs, and these are in the navy. And I just thought an outfit like this was a great outfit to wear with a pair of loafers, whatever ones you have, but I just thought they were cute. So this outfit has major sporty chic vibes, and I fell in love with this Free Assembly zip front sweater because it has two zippers and you can customize it, and it fits really nice and is very, very soft. And again, it's in that beautiful red color. I must have been loving that red because I got 3 pieces in it, and it really is a good true red. And I think I can actually wear this sweater really well because I've layered something underneath it that kind of breaks up the color a little bit against my face. But the t-shirt I have on is the cap sleeve tee that I had on earlier, and I just tucked it in this wonderful skirt. This is one of my favorite skirts now. This is the Free Assembly Tech midi skirt, and it's in kind of a workout material, so it's really casual, and I loved the red tie, and it has an elastic waist and zipper pocket, so very sporty. And the top half of it, if you can tell, is black, and the bottom part from here down is navy. And I did not know that when I ordered it, and I was very pleased once I got it and saw that. I think it just makes it very unique, and this is really comfy and just so easy to wear, and I thought this was a really cute outfit. And I did style it with sneakers. These are my Gola sneakers, which are a little bit pricey, but these have been my favorite black sneakers. They're really comfortable, and if they have a pair on Walmart that are similar to them, which they might, I will link them for you because these retro sneakers are very big, and I think the black sneakers are fun to wear year round. So this outfit is for more of you trendy gals. So this is the Scoop bomber jacket, which is in kind of this suiting material, which I thought was really interesting. And it's a gray pinstripe that's beautiful. And I think the fit of this jacket is so perfect. And I would wear this with jeans or back with this skirt. And it's also fully lined. So very, very nice quality. And I have it layered over the Free Assembly fitted cardigan sweater, which I wouldn't really call this a sweater. I think it's more of a ribbed t-shirt that is a really nice weight, and it feels good. And I thought the pink was gorgeous. And I actually got it because it was pink, but there are other colors in this. And I think it makes a really cute layering piece. But these buttoned up cardigans are very much a big trend still. They're going to be around for a while, and you can see it is a little bit looser than it looked tucked in, and just fits really nice. And this skirt, y'all, is so interesting. It has a high waist and it has double belt loops here, so I guess you could move the belt, and the belt did come with it. As you can tell, it matches it. And then it has all this cool pleating, and this one is by Scoop as well, and it's a midi length, which is very interesting for a pleated skirt. But the fuller pleated skirts like this are what is going to be the big trend for spring, and I thought this one was very interesting. You could even throw a white t-shirt on with it and sneakers. But the shoes I have on are Time and True ballet flats, and it's the pleated ballet flat, which has the bow on top. And I thought the pleating just made it look a little bit more high end and more interesting. And of course, it's faux suede, so it looks really very good quality, and these look way more expensive than they are, and I thought the pink was just adorable. And I will say that these fit my foot pretty well. Usually the Time and True flats do not fit my feet. They're a little wide, but this one is pretty good. These are going to be great everyday pieces for you. And the first item is this roll neck sweater in 100% cotton, which this is a staple in the free assembly line. And it came out in this beautiful bright lavender and white stripe. So I had to have it. And I have to recommend it to you because this is such a good sweater for the springtime. It's breathable, it's soft and airy, and just wonderful. And I have it on with these mid-rise wide leg released hem jeans by Free Assembly. And these feel really, really good. They're very comfortable, and I love the ankle length jeans in the spring and summer. I just think they're easier to wear with a lot of the flats. And this pair I'm wearing a size 2 in, which is too big. They didn't have the 0, but if they had the 0, it would have fit. So get your true size. And the shoes I have on are by Time and True, and this is the faux leather studded mule, which is so good. It's really cushy and comfortable, and it has enough coverage on the front that I don't feel like I'm going to walk out of it. And the studs are going to be really big in the spring. I'm seeing them on a lot of shoes, and embellishments in general are really big. So I thought these were great, and they come in a few different colors, but I thought the bone color with the silver was a lot of fun. So I thought these 3 items by Time and True were shockingly good. And the first item is this really pretty crew neck sweater that has a little bit of a relaxed fit with the drop shoulder here. And it's 100% cotton. So it's really soft and lightweight. And they did such a good job on the quality of this. And it's just under $20, which is so amazing. And it does come in other colors, and grab this before it's gone. And the pants I have on are just the Time and True pull-on wide leg pants that are in an ivory, and they also have a brown stitching that contrasts them, and they have the patch pockets that are easy. And I do love this tie. I think it's cute. And then a very good easy wide leg that comes to the top of my foot. I thought it was perfect to wear a flat shoe with. And these are on clearance right now, which was shocking to me as well, because this is such a nice pair of just cottony pant. They almost feel like a jean, and lightweight and easy, and they do come in a couple of other colors. And I also have on these amazing Time and True woven flats, which I could not get over. I love this cognac color, and they have the strap that has the gold buckle, and the woven just faux leather here makes them look very expensive, and they are not. This is very shocking. This is probably one of the most shocking pieces in this video as far as quality, looks, design, and price. So definitely check these out, and there are other colors in these. This is a dress that you could wear anywhere, and this is the Free Assembly Mixie Polo midi dress that is belted, and I just tied it in a bow kind of to the side. And this is a ribbed material at the top that's nice and fitted, and I love the gold buttons here. But the skirt is more of a cotton poplin, and it's very flowy and easy and has perfect pockets. So this dress is very comfortable, and I think it's very flattering and easy to wear. And I think it comes in red, which I didn't get, but I love the navy. I think it's so pretty. And I styled it with sneakers because that's how I would want to wear it until I was in sandals. And so these are my Cole Haan Grand Pro topspin sneakers that I think are so comfortable and very classic, and you can wear them with anything. They are a little bit more of an expensive brand, but if you have problematic feet, the cushioning in these are perfect, and they're very lightweight for a sneaker, so they would be a good one to check out if you need something. But I also wanted to show you this sweater, which this is the zip front sweater by Free Assembly, and I had it on in the red earlier, and the navy I put in my last haul. And I thought this would be a very cute layering piece over this if you needed a little bit more warmth with the dress while we're transitioning into warmer weather, and I just thought it was a cute pairing. I'm here to tell you bubble hems are sticking around, and I fell in love with this Time and True bubble hem sweatshirt. And the bubble hems are just easy, no tuck options that I think are super cute. And I mean, look at this. The bubble hem does not look obnoxious. It just makes it a little shorter and makes it easy to wear. And I think the pink color of this, it's called retro pink, was so cute. And this is very, very comfortable. And I love that they have to add some extra material here usually to make that bubble. So the inside is usually super soft and comfy. And this is going to be a little bit warmer and will be great transitioning into the springtime. And I put this on with the Time and True pull-on jeans like I had on in the ivory, but this is the blue jean color, and this has the same tie, which maybe these are on clearance because the tie isn't removable. I don't know, but these are on clearance too, and they are exactly the same fit, feel the same, and are really cute. So take a look at them if you're interested. And they're nice and just casual for everyday wear and putting sweatshirts and t-shirts and things with them. And I have on the cute looking retro Time and True sneakers that are so good in this cognac color, and definitely hoping they come out with more colors in these because they are super comfortable too. Very flexible and easy and very high-end looking at a very good price. So that is all for today. Remember to check out in the description all the links and the information on our YouTube memberships. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.